Hello everyone, I'm Carla Valentina Armeo. I come to display my task number 2. Let's go. My name is Carla Valentina Bermeo Delgado. My father's name is Romulo Augusto Bermeo Trujillo. My mother's name is Luz María Delgado Paramo. I'm from Colombia. Yes, I am studying at the university, and at night I work in the container mill and coffee. I'm very interested in getting to know other countries. I love Italy, French, and United States. One day I will be taking photos in New York in the Empire State. In my free time, I like to paint, take pictures, read my favorite book, watch The Simpsons, walking with my dog, skating, and other activities. I'm watching movies in English with subtitles, reading books in English, talking to a expert person. Speak English correctly and help other people to understand it easy way. Thank you for pay attention. Wait a moment. Thank you.